India's vibrant democracy is fueled by its youthful population, offering a beacon of hope for transformative change. With over 600 million citizens under 25 years old, the nation's youth represent a formidable force in shaping its political landscape. Their impact was evident in the 2019 general elections, where a surge of first-time voters, totaling over 15 million, contributed to the Bharatiya Janata Party's victory. The BJP's success in connecting with the aspirations of India's youth underscores the importance of strategic outreach efforts. By addressing issues relevant to young voters and employing innovative campaign tactics, the party tapped into the energy of the youth demographic, securing electoral success. This trend of increased youth participation in voting has been steadily rising since the 2014 elections, signaling a growing engagement with the democratic process. However, the journey towards true democratic representation requires more than just voting participation. Despite the potential of India's youth, their presence in positions of power remains limited. While the 2009 elections saw a relatively high number of young MPs, subsequent years have seen a decline in their representation, highlighting the need for concerted efforts to encourage youth to pursue careers in public service. Prime Minister Modi and the BJP have championed youth representation, fielding a diverse array of young candidates from various backgrounds in the 2024 elections. This commitment to inclusivity reflects a broader recognition of the vital role youth play in shaping India's democratic future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's journey from a humble background to the highest elected office in India is a testament to his determination, leadership, and the power of the people. Born into a modest family in Gujarat, Modi's early life was marked by financial struggles, but he persevered, shouldering responsibilities from a young age. His foray into politics began during his student days, where he joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), and later became a full-time pracharak campaigner. Modi's organizational skills and leadership abilities were quickly recognized, leading to his swift rise within the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). After assuming the role of Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001, Modi's focus on economic development and efficient governance earned him widespread acclaim. His governance model of minimum government, maximum governance became a hallmark of his leadership. As Prime Minister, Modi has championed various initiatives aimed at inclusive development and fostering a sense of national pride. He played a crucial role in resolving long-standing issues like the construction of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya and the opening of the Kartarpur Sahib corridor for Sikh pilgrims. Additionally, Modi has spearheaded initiatives to promote India's rich cultural heritage and strengthen ties with religious communities across the country. His efforts to promote Indian philosophies like yoga and Buddhism on the global stage have also earned him praise. In the realm of scientific endeavors, Modi has supported India's space program and renewable energy initiatives, showcasing the country's capabilities on the global stage. He has also focused on modernizing India's defense sector through initiatives like Make in India. Despite facing opposition from left-leaning groups and activists, Modi has remained steadfast in his commitment to India's progress and development. His government's response to challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic exemplifies his resolve in supporting indigenous solutions and fostering self-reliance. Overall, Modi's leadership has transformed India's political landscape and elevated its standing on the global stage. His journey from selling tea to parliament is a testament to the power of determination, leadership, and the unwavering support of the people. Show quoted text.